Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to sleep on a couch comfortably. This will be an easy tutorial for getting a better sleep, obviously when you are trying to get a slumber on the couch. So let's get right into this awesome video. I will be going over 5 quick tips for helping you get a better night's sleep or a better nap while sleeping on the couch. So let's get right into this. So I have slept on the couch a number of times. No, it's not because I was in the doghouse, despite what you might think. I'm a great husband. I do go in the doghouse sometimes, but it's not often, okay? But, essentially, if I'm going to be staying up late working or staying up late playing video games, I will sleep on the couch to not interrupt my wife's slumber upstairs in our bedroom. And also, if I think that my wife is lacking sleep and she just needs a better night's sleep, I'll sleep on the couch so she can get the bed to herself on occasion. So I've slept on the couch, I would argue, probably hundreds of times, and I've learned some tricks along the way. So these are 5 tricks, 5 tips basically for getting a better night's sleep on the couch. Number 1, and I'll come in the camera frame in just a moment. Number 1 is to use a real bed pillow, if possible, not a couch throw pillow. So essentially, this couch is in my garage right now. Long story, we got new couches, and sorry, that's why my kids like sand toy, water table toys over here. This is the old couch. These are the old couches. They're in the garage till I figure out what to do with them. So if you have access to a bed pillow, you want to use a bed pillow. I've noticed that it made a massive difference with regards to the quality of my sleep on a couch, okay? But if you don't have access to a bed pillow, you want to choose the most bed-like pillow that you can find on the couch. So this here is like a harder pillow. I wouldn't really choose something like this, right? This is a softer pillow. Look at this. The difference is, this is filled with down, I think it is. I mean, I could be wrong. But this is filled with a softer material. I'll leave you that. Here's a like whatever this is. I don't even know what synthetic down. I don't even know what it is. But it's a softer material. You want to definitely choose a softer pillow. So, choose a bed pillow if you can. But if you can't get your hands on a bed pillow, then choose the softest couch throw pillow that you can come across. Okay, tip number 2, and the second thing that you can do to get a better night's sleep on the couch is to choose, or I should say, try to get the most realistic bed angle with regards to the pillow. Now, let me demonstrate over here. For many times, I tried sleeping on the couch like this, because I'm like, you know what? Or even, it was even more of an aggressive angle. It was like this, right? I'm like, let me get the most, leg space. And I woke up with neck pains. It was not pleasant at all, right? Then I got my bed pillow, and I learned sleep as if it's a bed, okay? So literally try, if you can, you're better off getting your feet on an angle than your neck on an angle. So if that means, if sleeping like this means you got to put your feet like almost like crisscrossed a little bit, you're better off doing that than getting your neck on an angle. Try and get the most realistic bed angle possible with regards to your pillow, okay? I just got a massive shock from the floor. That threw me off. Holy, that was an intense shock. But anyways, try and get the most realistic bed angle or sleeping angle with the pillow that you're using. Tip number 3, or the third thing that you can do, is that if you can't get a flat surface with your pillow like that, you want to try and get the least aggressive slope. So essentially, if you can't get a flat surface like this, right, you don't want to go like this, right? You want to try and get the least aggressive slope, which might mean that, because as you can see, you cave in over here. You want to avoid that. So that might mean that you might need a double pillow, the double pillow action, okay? Double the trouble, double the pillows, okay? So essentially, that made no sense at all. Essentially, you want to get one pillow to create a very, very slight angle, and then your second pillow can sort of give you the best sleeping angle that you can possibly imagine. Or this pillow can go like this, and then you can create a less aggressive angle like that. Right? It's up to you, but you can double it up, and that will help you, but you need more length, because then you essentially have to lie down, and you need more leg space, okay? Now, the 4th tip is a game changer, literally a game changer. When I learned this, my entire couch sleeping situation changed, okay? The 4th thing is to remove or lift up the back pillows to get more width, right? So you can see, I'm not a small dude, okay? I'm not a small guy. So when I was lying down, I'm trying to get a nice sleep, right? I'm like this, basically. I'm basically sleeping like this, okay? I got maybe a solid 2 hours, hour and a half worth of sleep, okay? That's how I do all these videos. I don't sleep. I'm just kidding. I sleep 5-6 hours a night, which seems to be enough for me for now. I plan on sleeping more in the future, but for now, that's good. But I was sleeping like this. Then, I found out. Look, your mind is going to be blown. Okay? If you can manage to either remove these back pillows, which this couch they can't be removed, but if you can remove them on another couch, or if you can slide your arm in there, you gain another like 6 to 8 inches of space. So essentially, when I was lying down, I would slide my left hand and left arm under here, which number one, make sure I didn't roll off the couch, okay? Because that happened a few times. I alarmed my wife. I was like, "What's happening?" I'm like, "It's okay, honey. I just cracked my head on the floor." I'm joking. It's not true. But yeah, the truth, I didn't crack my head. But the truth is, I rolled off the couch many times, a few times, and what's going on down there? And I'm like, "It's okay. I just rolled off the couch. Not a big deal." Okay. So if I tuck my arm under here, it grounds me in the couch, so I can't roll off. And number two, look at this. Now look at. It's basically like a king-size bed, almost. I got so much space, it's ridiculous, okay? This is all, honestly, it's like a king-size, okay. Not like a king-size bed, I'm gonna get shocked again, I think. Wah! Ah! Ouch! That was a lot of static, okay? Anyways, it's like a king-size bed to a certain degree. It gives you more space. You honestly will gain, like basically it's this amount of my hand is underneath the cushion, so I don't know what that is, 6 inches or so. Is underneath the cushion, okay? I think I'm gonna not go sit on the couch for the last tip because I'm gonna get shocked, and that was an intense shock. Yeah. So, anyways, number 5 is to actually use a real comforter or blanket to sleep under. Now, I know you might just get like whatever blankets on the couch, and I get that. I totally understand. We've all been there, done that. You're sleeping on a couch, you just use whatever blanket's there. I get it. But the moment that my wife actually purchased a queen size comforter, but in the form of a blanket. So it's a queen size blanket essentially. And I use that when I sleep on the couch. And we have 4 young kids. So like if we're all watching a movie, the queen size blanket is enough to like really get pretty much all of us under one blanket. It's really, really good. It's really convenient to have. But I use it when sleeping at night and it covers my whole body and then some. So that is a game changer too. Use a comforter or a big blanket if you can. It will make the world of a difference, I'm telling you right now. That's it. That is how to sleep on a couch comfortably, an easy tutorial for getting a better night's sleep or slumber while on the couch. Like I said, I don't want to call myself a professional, but like I would argue hundreds of times I've been sleeping on the couch and I've become really, really good at it. I get a solid night's sleep on the couch. Arguably, oftentimes better than in the bed. So, it can be good. You just have to sort of take the right steps to make it good. If you just try and sleep there without doing anything, it's not going to be good. I will tell you, I slept actually in the corner many times, like literally just right over here. And, sure, once or twice you might end up getting a decent sleep, but after that, it wears off. The novelty of it wears off and you're going to get a bad sleep. So take the right steps to get, to do the right things to get a better night's sleep on the couch, and you'll actually get a decent sleep on the couch. Arguably, it can be better than a bed depending on the quality of the couch. Yeah, and obviously the reason why we got new couches is because you can see this cushion right here. I would sleep like this, and literally like the middle section of my body felt like it was going to roll off the couch, and these sections, the top and the bottom, were on there. So we were in need of a new couch, because that middle cushion was super saggy. But that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.